Blaine G. Schatz, and I'm the director and also a research agronomist. The new seed cleaning plant is a significant milestone for the Carrington Research Extension Center, and I would say all of NDSU Foundation seed stocks, because it represents a significant upgrade in terms of our capacity and also the sophistication, the technology that plant represents relative to our previous plant. And so it's a tremendous stride forward for bringing forward high quality, highly pure foundation grade seed for generations to come, frankly. The seed cleaning plant that this new plant replaced was built in 1963 using 1963 technology. The old plant, keep in mind, had a processing capacity of 30 bushels per hour, depending upon the crop and the seed lot itself. The new plant has 5 different stages of cleaning. Starting out with the vibratory pre-cleaner, the seed then goes to the air screen, then to the indent separator, onto the gravity table, and then finally the last stage going through the optical sorter. And that last stage was something that none of us at the centers have had at our disposal, and that's a very important stage. And I would say for soybean in particular, we're able to sort based off of color, based off of size, based off of shape. Basically, it's allowed us to save some seed lots that without the optical sorter we would not be able to propagate further and make available to the producers. We're working very closely with the plant breeder, soybean plant breeder, in that we have an extensive series of nurseries of his here at the Carrington Center. Somewhere in the neighborhood of around 12 different breeder nurseries that we work in conjunction with that breeder to represent this big environment. Once the line has been approved for initial increase, typically we would receive a small quantity of that seed, and we would typically put that on some of our best irrigated lands so as to ensure the best volume of production during that initial stage. Then it would be run through the foundation seed conditioning plant to the point that when it's ready for distribution to the counties and to other growers and so forth, that's our role, is to make that seed available as quickly and as significant volume as we can in the shortest period of time. The Carrington Center Foundation Seed Program is part of the overall NDSU Foundation Seed Stocks program. Our first release can be distributed to as broad an area of status as the variety is adopted, and to as many growers as possible. After the initial release, seedsmen that would subsequently plant certified classes of either certified or registered grade of seed would have access to that seed lot itself. The CREC is we feel very significant to the growers across the state, and I feel especially the soybean industry, as our location represents a significant production area for soybean. Our environment represents kind of a transition between eastern and western North Dakota agriculture. Our center has disciplines within agronomy, soil science, plant pathology, precision agriculture, animal science, and then finally our foundation seed program. So there's all these aspects that we have programs in that can address the diverse issues that a soybean producer, and also for that matter, the soybean industry, as we look at utilization issues and so forth. And I would just point out that the seed cleaning plant was really, the upgrade there was really the last really significant cog in the wheel, if you will, in terms of allowing us to take initial evaluation of germplasm and bring it available to the growers in terms of volume, high quality seed.